Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin saw that sell-off that we've been watching for, that we've been waiting for. This fifth wave of our wave A in this decline. So let's talk about the entire structure briefly. Obviously, we are dealing here still with this A, B, C structure in a fourth wave. The idea was that in this ABC structure, we're still in the A wave, which can be a 3-wave move or a 5-wave move. However, because the market didn't show any, well, let's say buy response really to this previous Fibonacci support, and after forming 3 waves down, it was quite likely that we would get a 5th wave to the downside. And this is what we see. Yeah, precisely this is what we see at the moment, that we've seen actually today, the 5th wave. And I made you aware in the previous video that, you know, a break to the downside of this flag, first of all, it's still the primary expectation. And it would confirm at the same time the breakdown into this target area between 39,314 and 40,887, with one additional level to watch at 40,585. And it basically got there, okay, into the you could say the upper range, and price has seen a first reaction. So let's see if this is already the reversal. Possibly not yet. Okay, it might get one more low. Looking at the structure here, it seems like it might need another low. But you know, sometimes when we talk about these microstructures, the chart doesn't always give us that 5th wave down. So it could be that this was a 1, this was a 2, this is a 3, maybe we get one more 4 and 5. Well, that's not so much to be seen as predictive, this structure. It is more useful to figure out what the resistance is that we now need to look at. Because micro resistance can tell us when the trend is likely changing. Now, just visually, I think it will already indicate that the trend is changing back to the upside and that this A wave has finally formed the low. Once the price breaks back above this trend line, okay, this previous breakout point, getting above that level would have bullish implications in my opinion. In addition to that, a break above what I have labeled as wave 2 high would be further confirmation that a low is in. And that would be a break above $42,880. But we can also add the 50% retracement level. That's basically the first level to watch. And if that level breaks to the upside, we have good indication that things are changing. That's not too far away from that trend line anyway. It is the level at $41,752. Okay, so a break above that level, a sustained break, would be an indication that we don't get another low. Yeah, so that's sort of how I see this. 41,750 basically is the key level. Then a break above this ascending trend line would be the next level of confirmation, and a break above the wave 2 high, the next level. And then I think we are in this B wave. And I mean, a B wave doesn't really have a target. Okay, there is not really the one target level that a B wave normally reaches. However, there are some levels to watch, and a healthy B wave would take the price into the region between, you know, 45, 46K, sort of into the region here around the golden ratio. But literally all of these fib levels are relevant, starting from, I mean, the very first one, but that's basically a little weak. That would be 43,675. Better would be 44,648 or 45,640. They are healthy wave B corrections, or corrective or fib levels for healthy corrections. But yeah, basically I'm watching if the wave A has already formed a low. It's possible, but I just gave you a key level to watch down there. As I said, the price should get into this region between 40,887 and 39,314. It's there, but still has a little bit more space. It's also not a must that the price stops there, but it's just an area of, let's say, probability where the price should turn around, and ideally remember that the B wave has started. In the previous video, we talked about potential bullish divergences. Now on the 1 hour chart, that did not materialize, because what we talked about was, okay, maybe if it comes down a little lower, we see a bullish divergence on the 1 hour chart. Now, not on the 1 hour, but on the 4 hour, there is a bullish divergence, okay? So the question is just, does it hold? Does it hold or does it break? For now, the price made a lower low. The RSI formed a higher low, and both are in oversold territory. So it's an ideal spot actually for the price to turn around. With one more low, it could still show a bullish divergence. We'll see. But yeah, I think all the levels are clear. Resistance is clear. Another low, the level would also be clear. Also, please be aware that should the price not have bottomed, there are a few of the previous swing lows here that could provide additional structural support. But yeah, basically no surprise, and I'm quite glad that it's produced the 5 waves down now. So let's see if the B wave starts in the coming days or over the coming sessions. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.